Today we're going to another car meet. I swear I feel like these car meets are getting boring to watch, but if you guys like them, let me know, like always. But first off, sorry for the lack of vlogs and content lately on both Instagram and YouTube. I have not been on YouTube in a while. I have not been on Instagram in a while. I've been really just trying to catch up on all the merch. I'm finally caught up. All your guys' orders are sent out, so if you guys haven't got it, check your email. There should be like a tracking number. You can track where your package is. But a lot of you guys already got your packages, so that's freaking awesome. I can't wait to see you guys in person with the merch. Maybe we'll find someone today at the car meet, who knows. But anyways, I'm back. I'm gonna try to get back on schedule. We got a lot of cool vlogs coming up soon. Today we're going to a car meet, and tomorrow I think I'm gonna reveal the new wheels we got for the GTR. I got new wheels and it's gonna be crazy. I can't wait to show you guys. And another vlog we have is the tune, because I ordered everything we need for the full bolt-ons and the tune. So it should be pretty sick. The GTR is finally gonna be tuned, spitting flames, and super freaking fast. I can't wait. So yeah, a lot of really cool vlogs soon, but today we're gonna just go to this car meet, have a chill day, and see what we get into. Damn. There's a lot of people here. Damn. Makes my GTR look so stock. Alright, we made it. We parked right here with some JDM homie. Guys, this meet's crazy. There's a bunch of like new cars, old school cars like the Cobras, these old Mustangs. It's pretty crazy. It's a mix of everything, to be honest. Is that a Supra? Gustavo? Guys, I saw a really sick E46 and I want to go see it. I need to find it. You got the gap cam on the back. I found it. Oh my god, it's clean, bro. Red E46. A big brake kit. Damn. That's clean, bro. I need that trunk. Look at this 4GT. Woo! That is crazy. Oh, bro, is that full carbon? 1K horsepower. Damn. You see, there's so much of everything. We got like stand-style cars, old school cars. That Lambo though. I bet you that car is worth more than my GTR. NSX. Damn, that shit is sick. I still want one. This one has a lot of work done. Look at this. Must be nice, literally. That shit's sick, dude. Holy crap, bro. LS Swap Turbo. Look at this tire too, dude. That shit is probably fast. That shit's clean too. Oh, no way. It's crazy. He really has an RV in there. Man, look at this GTR. Guys, my car's stock, but it actually doesn't look bad. My dream car right here, dude. Aventador. I want one so freaking bad. I want it all black if I got one. Everything black. With red interior. It would be so sick. That's where all the ballers park right here. 720S, GT3 RS, McLaren. Dude, there's so many. Out of all of these though, I'll still choose the Aventador. Dude, I can't get over that E46. It's so clean. I wish I was able to bring my E46 to one of these. We'd probably get kicked out immediately because there's no loud cars here. Another car that's probably worth more than my GTR. Oh my god, dude, all of these cars are probably double my GTR. That thing looks badass. That's so crazy. And then the R8, oh bro. This is my next car. I'm not even kidding. Guys, I really think this is the next car. Look at all this carbon fiber. I'd probably do the full carbon hood. I seen TJ Hunt just do it. It's so sick. Okay, maybe in a couple years, sell the GTR, pick this up, V10, It's clean. I'll take out the wing though. No wing for me. Supercharged too. Back to the Future? He has a little time machine back here too.
Oh,
that's funny. Damn. I should have left my hood carbon fiber, huh? I still could. Dude, one day when I have a bunch of money, I'm gonna buy a bunch of different cars. I want an RX-7. I want one of these. I want one of these. Is that fresh kicks food? That shit's clean. Look at these wagons. Aren't these like super freaking rare? It's so clean. It's like mint. Damn, he has like the original seats and everything. That's super nice. GTR boys. Gosh, should I do a carbon fiber hood on my GTR? I think it'll look badass. And like on a black car, you'll barely be able to notice unless you're like up close, which I think will be sick. I might do it. Bro, this might be the sickest 720S I've ever seen. Holy crap, bro. That color is crazy. I don't even like green, but it looks so good. Wow, bro. That would be nice too. That's what I really want. I don't know, the R8's like half the price. This truck is so badass. And it's mint, of course. All these old school cars are just like literally mint, inside and out. Dude, it's so clean. That shit's sick, dude. This might be one of the cleanest M4s I've ever seen. With the TEs. I still want one, bro. I still want one.
She wishes Nick would get it.
Probably exactly what I would do to it. Another E36 M3. Just making me sad all over again. The same wheels I had too. All I was missing was the wing and the diffuser, and my car would have been done, bro. Wow, this Evo's beautiful. I've always liked Evos. E30 M3. This is definitely worth a lot. And it's red. And it's so freaking clean inside. I would just put some BBS's on it, you know, and that's it. Is that a Supra? Damn, bro, this one's insane. All that titanium. This thing is on the floor, bro. Literally. The seats are on the floor, dude. Another one.
Yeah. They had a 4-door one? Yeah.
S54. Holy crap, bro. This is that GTR I saw coming in. Why does mine not look like this? I heard all that is super expensive. All carbon fiber, everything. Everything's carbon fiber on this thing. 1,000 wheel horsepower, bro.
No way.
That's the flex right there. It's actually super freaking clean. So many freaking cars. I honestly don't know what to record anymore. Everywhere you look, it's a badass car. Like, it's crazy. For those of you wondering where are these car meets at, how do I find out? Honestly, just follow me on Instagram, because I always post about these. Before I come to like an event, I always post on my Instagram. So if you guys want to know, follow me there. That shit is clean, dude. Must be nice. Bro, it looks so good. Full dry carbon fiber. Everything. Everything on the car is literally carbon fiber. Oh, you could definitely see it in the sun. Every piece of the car is carbon fiber. Everything.
Yeah, there might be something.
It's so crazy. The whole quarter panel, the roof.
We weighed the car.
Everything. Even the headlights are carbon fiber. Like what? Wow, bro. Makes my GTR look so stock. I need to get rid of that orange reflector. That orange reflector is ugly on. Of course, TEs is my favorite GTR. Literally my favorite. I need this roll cage. All right, boys. This is goals. This is the exact color that I want. If I got one, definitely would be this color. It's hard to pick up on camera. It's actually way darker on camera, but it's a sick color, dude. I don't like Ferraris that much, but this one is fire. Then we got the Aventador. Goals. Once I have an Aventador, I don't need nothing else. I swear I don't need nothing else. No more cars. This is super last minute, but we found a car cruise in the same parking lot. We got GTRs, we got Aventador SV. Oh my gosh, it's loud. That loud. Should I race him again? I already beat him. Oh my god, I love this Porsche. Guys, which car are you taking out of all of these? Which one are you taking? Ferrari? I don't know. I'd probably pick her GTR because I think it's faster than all these guys. I don't know. I might have to go with the GTR or else the Lambo behind us for sure. But that Porsche does sound good. I think the Porsche might be the best sounding one here right now. All right, we just made it home and we got some pretty bad news. Actually, really bad news. I don't know if you guys are able to hear, but just listen. I ran over a nail when we got off the freeway right now. I literally heard it. Oh my god, why does this always happen to me? Look at that big ass screw or bolt. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna try to patch it or something, but that sucks. These are like expensive ass tires. I heard the Michelin Pilot Super Sports. Before it gets to 0 PSI, we're gonna try to make it to the tire shop and see if they're able to patch it, because I do not want to buy a new tire. I just bought all 4 new tires for my new wheels. So get them all hyped over the GTR.
Her son's a #1 fan.
I don't know if this is the right size, but just so we get an idea. Almost $400 for 1 tire. So yeah, hopefully that little nail doesn't cost me 400 bucks. I just spent a ton of money on the new wheels. So I'm not that bummed about it because I'm getting new wheels and tires for the car, but those would be good spares. So hopefully they're able to patch it, I hope. Let me see that merge. Dang, Zilla Club.
A few moments later.
The guy brought my tire in here and he said that it's not patchable. He said it's the nail's like too close to the edge. I'll show you guys when I look at it right now, but this is the second tire shop. Maybe we'll try a third one and see if they do it. The guy said 600 bucks for a new tire. Hell no. All right, I think these homies are gonna fix it for sure, which is dope. Hopefully we get it all fixed. Look at these shocks, dude. We need some coilovers or bags, huh? Hopefully they're able to patch it. We already tried 2 different tire shops. This is the 3rd one. And I think we're gonna get it done. Which one would you guys take? Fox suspension. It matches the GTR too. I need to get one. Good?
Good. I'm on now.
Good.
We were 5 minutes away from the house, bro. I told you.
I know, we're almost home too and that happened. I can't believe that happened.
You're Mexican people. Always trust your heritage.
I know, I should have just came to these homies first. Bloomington Tire. All the other tire shops didn't want to do it, but they did it. All right, it's all fixed, guys. That was good. Saved me like 600 bucks. And we got a patch, and now this fool wants to drive it. If you guys don't know, this is actually my brother's homie that he met in the Marines. And yeah, I guess he's into cars. So.
Remember that way?
But don't crash my car, please.
That way?
Yeah. And he has a Mustang, so I mean, I kind of trust him, but it's scary. Not that many people drive my car, you know? Anyways, the tire is fixed and we're all good. I saved myself a lot of money. Shout out to those guys. Yeah.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.